In this video, we're going to learn about the fit to width setting, a powerful feature that allows us to create responsive and dynamic UI elements. We'll use a pop-up where users can select topics to follow as our example. Let's get started. So I'm sitting here on the preview page where you can see this pop-up. And in this pop-up, users can select from a list of topics which are displayed on the screen. And each one of these topics is represented by these tag elements, which you can see. And when a tag is clicked, it becomes selected. But a problem that we do have right now is that each text element that displays a topic has a fixed width. So this is leading to issues with responsiveness and layout. And the issue and the problem that you can see here on the screen is some topic names are too long and get cut off, while shorter names leave too much empty space at the end. So for example, we see entertainment, which is wrapping to the next row because it's too long. And then we also see sport, which is too short and has a bunch of empty white space at the end of the tag element. So let's go over the process of fixing this and jump into our editor. What we want to do is we want to fix this text element. And the way that we do that is we are going to change the width setting of this text element. So what we're going to do is we are going to check this box of fit width to content. And what that will do is it will allow us to adjust the element width based on the number of characters in the topic name. And this ensures that all of the text is visible and neatly fits within the tag. We also want to change the minimum width to 10 pixels, which is just a placeholder value. We can't put 0 pixels in because if we do that, then we can't actually click on the element itself. But by putting 10 pixels, it just means that we have a minimum width which we can select the element with and then just expand the fit width to content from. Since the text element is within a repeating group, this change is automatically applied to all instances of the topic tags. And that means all of our tags will dynamically adjust their width, and this improves the overall layout and responsiveness. Now, the next one that I want to look at is this Save Changes button. So this button already has the fit width to content selected. So that means that its width is going to adjust based on the text while maintaining the padding of 15 pixels on either side. So to see how it works, what we're going to do is we're just going to adjust this text. And I'm just going to add test over here. And what you can see is the button width actually adjusts automatically to accommodate this new text. And this just makes sure that our button always looks balanced and professional. And it continues to maintain that 15 pixels of padding on either side. So let me just remove this one and just go back to the page and just see how this now looks. What we can see now is our tags look a lot better. And each of the tag elements is fitting to the width of the text inside. And it just looks so much more visually appealing on our screens. So there you have it. By using the fit to width setting, we've made our tag elements responsive.